Ever wonder why Japanese houses can stay standing for hundreds of years? It's because their walls are built with layers of hidden protection. First, they cover the structure with a metal wire mesh. This acts as a skeleton that binds the entire wall together. Then the cement is applied, locking perfectly into the mesh for an even finish. But they don't stop there. Once the cement dries, they add a layer of fiberglass. Why? To prevent even the tiniest cracks from forming. This multi-layer system is exactly why Japanese walls stay rock solid, even in a land where earthquakes happen every single day.